Hello friends, very good morning. How to handle the non-compliances cases and what if you fails to implement the compliances on time? Is there any kind of penalty associated with this? These are the few questions we will discuss today in this session. These questions are very important to ensure that how you confident to handle the GRC stuffs if if your manager or someone has assigned to do the task. So guys, let's begin the session without further delay. This is the question number one. How will you handle the non-compliances issues? Yes, very good question. So uh, handling of non-compliances is most important aspects of the governance risk and compliances, as we know. So first try to investigate the issues very deeply, where you have to conduct a thorough investigation to identify the root cause of the non-compliance issue and impact due to this, right? So first try to understand the impact of over this, whether this is a real compliance issue or not. First try to understand this, and then you can investigate the issue, right? Second is root cause, right? Investigate the source of issues, right? From where it is generated. Was there any lack of policies, right? Lack of procedures we have, or lack of control or failures of following. So first try to understand the root cause. Next is the by understanding the root cause, try to develop an action, right? So just you have to plan a strategy to address the issues to prevent it from the reoccurring the issues in particular future. So this must plan have bullets, like, right? You need to ensure that during a development action plan, right, you need to just make a checklist where action needs to be taken should be there, right? Timeline for completion and individual assigning of task and status of hiring of resources if required. So these are the certain procedures it should be there. Coming to the next slide. You can implement the plan. So follow the CM process. CM is the change management process, and implement the actions required to cover the lacking areas. Monitor and review. You review the effectiveness or impact of the implementation and ensure that non-compliance issues area has been resolved. Just ensure this. And last is a report or communication, and you have to communicate the same internally and present a dashboard to the management, and after confirmation send official email to the regulator regarding the is status of implementation. Coming to the next question, very important. This is generally seeking from less than 10 years of experiences. This is a general failure of implementing cases, or if you need some more time from the regulators for proper implementation due maybe due to any reason. So the question is how you communicate if you fail to meet the deadline of non-compliance resolving. Or this question may be asked, and have you protect how you protect the organization from penalty even fail to implement the compliances. So first, make a detailed report for why failed to implement on time, which includes the impact of internal servers technical points, so that it looks realistic, right? So this point should be there. Next is try to win the trust of regulator by mention the regulatory of achieving all compliance on time, but due to security incidents, we need 1 week more extensions to implement the current compliance, right? So just mention the the issues why we require 1 week extension regarding the same. Next is after confirmation from the regulator, ensure all legal formalities from the legal team. Make sure to finish the task within the timeline as promised to the regulator. So these are the steps you should follow. One more thing, guys, this is very unusual. Actually, you need because the regulator always gives the extended time to you, right? For example, if they are observed that yes, such policy should be implemented, right, they actually give more than 6 months or approximately more than a quarter to implement, which is more than enough. So the more time request is very unusual. So try to finish all these implementation work within the first deadline given by the regulators to make sure that your organization will be non-compliance and avoidance from the penalties. So guys, these are the certain questions. Next videos in 2 days. Thank you so much. These questions, just reminding you, these questions sent by subscribers. So I had provided the answers. I hope these questions really helping you. Kindly subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.